lovers, welcome back to Cheri the Chef. It is the weekend, but this upcoming week is going to be Thanksgiving, which I'm super excited about. I love to cook for the family, and I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking that has a lot of peppers in it. So I want to come on and show you what I have found to be the easiest, quickest way to cut a green pepper. And I want to talk about them just for a second because I did a Pampered Chef party about a year ago, and one of the guests informed me that there were female and male peppers, that the female had 4 lobes on the bottom and the male had 3. So today I got in the fridge to get out a pepper, and lo and behold, it has 5 lobes on the bottom, and I decided I have to look this up. I have to know, are there male, are there female, and if so, what is this one? And well, turns out there's not really male or female. The only thing that determines how many lobes are on the bottom of your peppers is the type of variety it is, the variety of actual pepper. And as far as gender is concerned, apparently they produce a perfect or a unisex flower, and it contains, you know, the stamens and the carpels in it, and so it has a male and female reproductive system. And all of your nightshade family is like the tomatoes, the eggplants, all of that is like that. And I also find it interesting that in the culinary world, we consider this a vegetable, but technically, and in the botanical world, it is considered, it's actually considered a fruit. So, and these peppers can have anywhere from 2 to 5 lobes on the bottom. And they're also peppers, or our bell peppers are the only pepper that doesn't produce capsaicin, which is where we get our heat from when we typically eat peppers. So I just found that all really interesting. I wanted to share that with you guys. But more importantly, I want to show you what I think is the quickest way to cut a pepper. And so I just take it and I place it top side down. I cut all 4 sides off. And then when you do that, you're left with your core in the center. So you don't have to worry about digging that out of there. But let's say that you wanted to make stuffed peppers. Then you may want to just go ahead and cut the top off. And we have a really nifty tool for that. I probably need to break this a little bit. But you can take our scoop loop and you just put it down in the middle of there, and you just use this to scoop it out, and it takes right off the side there, gets it all out. And then you could use this pepper, you know, to stuff, for stuffed peppers for dinner. You could also use this to put dip in and to hold dip, so that would be fun. So that again is our scoop loop. So that's a nifty little tool, but more fun than that is this tool here, and this is called our quick slice. And it has different blades that are, you probably can't see, they're graduated. They're set at an angle, not at an angle, but they graduate. This is real close, and that one gets further away on the edges, and they're all serrated. And what's really cool is you just take your peppers and stick them right in there, and you just rock it back and forth, and then you have your little pepper slices. So this is perfect if you're doing, let's say fajitas or something like that, and you want those little pepper strips. Excuse me. And then you could also, once you've got them into little strips, you can turn them the other way. Let's straighten this out. And then you can cut it again, and then you've got your little peppers all chopped up into little pieces there. Isn't that cool? So again, this is our scoop loop, and this here is our quick slice. So that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.